Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your science class beta from Paramount Public School, Chima. So open your book, Universal Science Class 5, Chapter number 1, Human Body, the Circulatory System. So, human body, the circulatory system. Circulatory system beta, circulatory system is the transportation system. So in this chapter we read about the different organs which make up the human circulatory system. We read about the different functions of blood and blood vessels, differentiate between arteries and veins, structure and functioning of heart, process of circulation in the human body, and different ways to keep our heart healthy and strong, and what are the benefits of yoga in day-to-day lives. So firstly we will read about the takeoff. Shefali was tidying her bookshelf when she came across a flowchart. She took the flowchart to her mother. "Look mom, I found a chart in my bookshelf. I made it when it was in grade 3, said Shefali. "Oh how lovely," exclaimed her mother. "Can you tell me what it shows?" So Shefali जो एक girl है, she is tidying her bookshelf and she found a one flow chart. What she found a one flow chart and showed to her mother कि in the grade 3 I made this chart. What that chart? Cells, tissue, organs, organ system and organism. So her mother asked her कि what this flow chart represent. So what it shows, she tell that the level of organization in our body. So we know that our body is made up of cell, and these cells make the tissue, and then tissue make the organs, organs make the organ system, and organ system makes the organism. So let's start reading. Our body is made up of tiny building blocks. Our body is made up of tiny building blocks called cell. We have various types of cells. Cells group together to form a tissue. These are different types of tissues in our body. Tissues group together to make an organs. So our body is made up of which 10 cells, and cells make together, group of cell make a tissue, and tissues group together make a organs. What type of organ present in our body? Kidney, lung, stomach, and these organs grouped together, they perform the specific function and they form the organ systems. So there are many organ systems in our body. For example, digestive system, excretory system, which help in the removal of wastes from the body. So all these organ systems should work properly for the proper functioning of body. So there are many organ systems in our body, such as skeletal system, circulatory system, muscular system, respiratory system, nerve system. So in this chapter we will learn about the circulatory system. So इस chapter में हम किसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे बेटा? Circulatory system में. So in this circulatory system, what helps? Oxygen, water and nutrients flowing through the body. कौन सी चीज़ हेल्प कर रही है ऑक्सीजन, वाटर और न्यूट्रिएंट्स को फ्लो करने में बेटा? We need substances such as nutrient, oxygen and water to survive. हमें क्या है? ऑक्सीजन भी चाहिए, न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी चाहिए, वाटर भी चाहिए सर्वाइव करने के लिए. सर्वाइव मीन्स लिव करने के लिए. So these substances are transported to the various part of our body with the help of transport system called the circulatory system. तो ये जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन है ऑक्सीजन की, न्यूट्रिएंट्स की, ये किसकी हेल्प से होती है? सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम की हेल्प से. और ये सर्कुलेशन जो है वो सब कुछ कौन कैरी करता है? ब्लड. And this circulatory system is also help to remove the wastage from the body. For example, carbon dioxide, it removed from the body through the blood. Now what things make the circulatory system? Blood, blood vessels and heart. So firstly we read about the blood. What is blood? It is a thick red colored fluid that is transport nutrient, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water in our body, and it flows through a network of tubes. How it flows? By the network of tubes, and these tubes are called blood vessel. What we call blood vessels. And this blood, it contribute how much weight for our body? 8% weight. जो आपकी बॉडी में वेट है बेटा ब्लड का, वो कितना है? आपकी वेट का 8%. So what are the functions of blood? So blood is of 3 type: RBC, WBC and platelets. So firstly we read about the RBC. What is the function of RBC? It transport oxygen from the lungs to the cells of the body, and they also transport carbon dioxide from the body cells to the lungs. तो RBC जो है ऑक्सीजन को लंग्स से सेल में पहुंचाएगा और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को सेल से लंग्स में पहुंचाएगा. सेकेंड, blood carries the nutrient. It carries the nutrients from the digestive system to the body cells. It help in the transporting waste. It help to remove the waste product to the kidney, and it help in maintaining the body temperature. And it has a one jelly like substance that is known as the platelets, which help in the clotting बेटा जो आपका blood है वो जम जाता है when you are injured, your blood is coming from that injured part, तो थोड़ी देर बाद वो रुक जाता है. वो किसकी वजह से? clotting की वजह से. Last, the white blood cells, they are present in the blood. What they do? They protect the body against the diseases. Now next is the blood vessels. What blood vessels क्या है बेटा? These are the muscular tubes. होलो होती हैं, अंदर से बिल्कुल एम्प्टी होती है, खाली होती हैं. In which the blood flows. जिसके अंदर क्या फ्लो करता है? ब्लड फ्लो करता है. They are connected to the main organ of the circulatory system. अब ये किसके साथ कनेक्टेड है बेटा? हार्ट के साथ. और they form a network. ये किसका नेटवर्क बनाती हैं बेटा? They form a network to transport blood to all parts of the body. तो जो blood vessels है वही blood को पूरी body में क्या है? पहुंचाती हैं. तो कितने टाइप की है हमारे पास blood vessels? 3 type: arteries, veins and capillaries. So firstly we will read about the arteries. Arteries which carry oxygenated blood from the heart to different parts of the body. Arteries, they are carry the pure blood in which oxygen is present. So only there is one pulmonary artery, only pulmonary artery which is the exception, which carry deoxygenated blood. Now which is a deoxygenated blood? Which carry the carbon dioxide with it. Okay, so it carry the deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. So of the 3 blood vessels, arteries are the thickest one. सबसे मोटी होती हैं जो arteries होती हैं. And the smaller blood vessels that branches and extend out. जो आपको ये पिक्चर दिख रही है बेटा, इसमें जो ये रेड कलर है ये आपकी क्या है? आर्टरीज है जो हार्ट से आ रही है. और आर्टरी से जो ये बहुत थिन वेसल्स निकल रही हैं, दीज आर नोन एज आर्ट्रियोल्स. एंड द लार्जेस्ट आर्टरी इन आवर बॉडी इज एओर्टा. जो लार्जेस्ट आर्टरी है आपकी बॉडी में वो उसका नेम क्या है? एओर्टा है. एंड इट इज द मेन आर्टरी. ये क्या मेन आर्टरी है जो कहाँ से निकलती है? फ्रॉम इट इमर्जेस फ्रॉम द हार्ट. कैरोटिड आर्टरी इज अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट आर्टरी दैट कैरीज ब्लड फ्रॉम द हार्ट टू द ब्रेन. अब कैरोटिड आर्टरी कौन सी आर्टरी है बेटा? वो आर्टरी है जो ब्लड को हार्ट से ब्रेन की तरफ लेके जाती है. सो आर्टरीज आर डीपली प्लेस्ड इनसाइड द स्किन. अब आर्टरीज कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होती है? हमारी स्किन में डीपली होती है. और इनका कलर कौन सा होता है? रेड कलर. नेक्स्ट इज वेन्स. They carry deoxygenated blood. Or now what veins carry? It carry deoxygenated blood. अब deoxygenated blood in which carbon dioxide is present, so they carry blood from the body to the heart. Now there is also one exception, that is the pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein is an exception as it carry oxygenated blood. So it carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to heart. So these are very small blood vessels that branches and extend out. जैसे ये डायग्राम अभी हमने देखी थी, इसमें जो ब्लू कलर है दैट शोज द वेन्स, और जो ब्लू कलर की ब्रांचेस निकल रही हैं बाहर वो क्या है? आपकी वेन्यूल्स. So the small blood vessels that branches out, extend out from the veins are called venules. And the walls of veins, अब veins की walls जो होंगी वो क्या होंगी? thin होंगी as compared to arteries. There are special structures present in veins. अब veins में एक special structures होती हैं बेटे, that is called the walls. And what is the function of walls? It allow one way flow. जो walls हैं वो सिर्फ one way flow provide करेंगी towards the heart, and it प्रिवेंट इट फ्रॉम फ्लोइंग बैकवर्ड ब्लड को फ्लो नहीं होने देंगी, फॉरवर्ड ही फ्लो होगा हमेशा। एंड डायरेक्ट थ्रू मेन वेन्स सुपीरियर वेना कावा एंड इंफीरियर वेना कावा। सुपीरियर वेना कावा जो है बेटा, जो आपके ब्रेन से ब्लड को लेके आती है हेड की तरफ, हेड से, एंड इंफीरियर वेना कावा जो आपके फुट से लेके आती है, तो फ्रॉम द अपवर्ड विच इज कैरिंग द ब्लड सुपीरियर वेना कावा, फ्रॉम द डाउनवर्ड विच कैरी द ब्लड इंफीरियर वेना कावा। सुपीरियर वेना कावा ट्रांसपोर्ट ब्लड फ्रॉम द अपर पोर्शन ऑफ द बॉडी टू द हार्ट एंड इंफीरियर वेना कावा इट ट्रांसपोर्ट ब्लड फ्रॉम द लोअर पोर्शन ऑफ द बॉडी टू द हार्ट। वेन्स आर प्लेस्ड वेरी क्लोज। अब वेन्स कहाँ पे होती हैं, वो तो डीपली थी आर्टरीज। नाउ वेन्स आर वेरी क्लोज टू द सरफेस ऑफ स्किन एंड व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ वेन्स, ब्लू कलर। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द कैपिलरीज। कैपिलरीज आर एक्सट्रीमली थिन ब्लड वेसल्स। कैपिलरीज क्या होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा थिन होती हैं एंड दे कनेक्टेड आर्टरीज एंड वेन्स। They have thin walls. They are also responsible for the absorption of, now what is the function of capillaries? They are responsible for the absorption of oxygen, digested food, waste product produced in the body. Next is the differences. So firstly we read it. Arteries which carry blood to the all parts of the body from the heart. आर्टरीज जो है हार्ट से ब्लड बॉडी की तरफ जाएंगी एंड वेन्स दे कैरी ब्लड फ्रॉम द बॉडी टू द हार्ट एंड इन द आर्टरीज वॉल्स आर एब्सेंट, इन द वेन्स वॉल्स आर प्रेजेंट। आर्टरीज व्हाट इज एक्सेप्शन, pulmonary artery, in the veins what is exception, pulmonary veins. Other all are carry in the arteries oxygenated blood, in the veins other all are carry deoxygenated blood. Where arteries present, they are present deeply under the skin and in the veins they are placed very close to the surface of skin. What is the color of arteries, red color, and veins blue color. So part 1 we completed in this video. Next we will read in our next video. Okay beta, from the heart. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day beta.